In front of me is Nokia X20, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So first of all, just open the camera app, then find and select timer icon. It's right here, and you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 3 seconds. Now just grab your phone, tap on camera shutter, and as you can see here, we've got the countdown, and after that the picture will be grabbed. To switch the timer off, all you need to do is to tap on this icon again and pick the first option. And now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.